How to boost volume on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can boost volume on iPhone. But before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to do is head over to your settings. On your settings, you'll find the sound option. Scroll down till you find sound and haptics. Tap on that. There you will see the slider. Simply turn it up all the way. After you've turned that up all the way, there you can then simply go ahead down below. There you'll see volume limit. Tap on that and simply turn off this limit maximum volume option. After you turn that off, your limit to your maximum volume will be removed. After doing that, you can now head back and head over to accessibility. On accessibility, scroll down and there you should find hearing devices. Tap on hearing devices and there you will see this option that says hearing aid compatibility. So simply turn this on. After you've turned that on, you're basically good to go, and that's how you can boost volume on iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.